Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like a thief on the run. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see.
First, I would like to express my gratitude to my professor, Cao Min Tang, for his patience, encouragement, inspiration, and support throughout this assignment. Originally, I would like to become a contractor rather than a consultant in Indonesia. Contractors are more challenging and various. Additionally, my expertise such as engineering knowledge, strong reading, math skills, communication and leadership skills, technology or software knowledge, problem-solving skill, decision-making skill, risk, schedule, and cost management skills are support me to become a contractor. Gender discrimination and low salary as consultant still cannot be neglected in Indonesia. Many job vacancies as contractor require a man, and the salary for consultant is not enough for life costs. This matter forced me to study go abroad and wish to have better life in Taiwan. After I had graduated from my master degree, I think that I must continue my study as doctoral student. Because I have an opportunity to get full scholarship, complete my doctoral degree in 2.5 years, and job vacancy as lecturer in Indonesia. During my study as doctoral student, I realized that I like to become good researcher or lecturer in the future.
But you've taken a chance on me.